Welcome students. Today I am going over function and related our trigonometric functions in the part 6. Students, in the last part 5 I explained you total different 8 types of formula. One of the sin x plus y, second sin x minus y, third cos x plus y, fourth cos x minus y, and different four are the tan x plus y, tan x minus y, and cot x plus y, and last cot x minus y. And that related trigonometric 48 formula also I explained you. So that utilized topics I go to our values for find out sin 75 degree in question number 5 exercise 3.3. So students, 75 degree you convert it into known degree. Two functions are known, that 45 plus 30 degree, and this formula is known sin x plus y, which is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, where x is taking 45, y is taking 30. Yes students, this property already I explained in the last part. So putting the values, sin 45 cos 30 plus now cos 45 sin 30. Both values known, one by one you just operate it. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 half. So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Up to that your textbook numerical done, but I further explanations. So it is root 6 plus root 2 by root 2 into root 2, 2, root 2 is a 4. So here sin 75 degree is done here, which is how many? Root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Here students, our textbook first question is done. Second question, after that I explain you, I go to extra. So students, you write down extra also in your notebook. It's a compulsory. Sin 15 degree, which is our example number 11, already given in your book. 15 is same explanations, just here I write down 45 minus 30, because it is a 45 minus 30, it is 15 degree. So same calculation, sin 45 sin 30 minus cos 45 cos 30. These are similarly explanations, just only here you getting what? Minus, after some step, root 6 minus root 2 by 4, you try itself. Yes, one more extra, you try it. So here cos 75, same as formula operated, cos 45 plus 30, which is how many? Cos 45 cos 30 minus sin 45 sin 30. All value I know, just to operate now 1 by 1. So 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Sin 45 sin 30. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Check. This calculation and these are same. Only the minus plus change. Here conjugate extra right. So root 6 minus root 2 by 4. This value is what? Cos 75. Indirectly it is sin 15. Students, this and this answer same, because it is changed the 90 minus. And one more extra. After that, you try it. Cos 15 degree. So finally, only one numerical given in your textbook. I extra explain. So cos 15, cos 45 minus 30 means this formula same operating. Cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. Same explanations. Answer is getting root 6 plus root 2 by 4. It is cos 15 either sin 75. Both are same. Sin 75 degree and cos 15 indirectly 90 minus. So here students, our 4 cases. All cases you properly write down in your notebook. Now second exercise question 5, second one, tan 15 degree. Now here second start. Tan 15. Here also students I create tan 15, tan 75, cot 15, cot 75. That like 4 numericals. So tan 15, 45 minus 30. And now formula tan 45 minus tan 30. 1 plus tan 45, tan 30. What is standard rule? Yes. Tan x minus y known. Tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y, where x is 45 but y is what? 30 degree. And these all values one by one I just put it the values and easily get my answer. So what is tan 45? 1 30 1 30. So you get root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, and here I take the conjugate. You get whole square, and here 3 minus 1. So what you get answer? Answer is a 3, 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2. So 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Happily you done 2 minus root 3 or which value? Tan 15. Now I go to students extra. You necessarily show in your notebook. These all are extra question also, no students? Yes, compulsory. Now next going tan 75, which is nothing. Tan 45 plus 30. Further explanation, same try, same rule apply. You getting the answer 2 plus root 3. So tan 75 is a 2 plus root 3. You buy that. Next extra cot 15. So cot 45 minus 30. Cot 15 is nothing. It is indirectly tan 75. 90 minus. So these are cot 30. Minus cot 45 plus 1. Here cot 30. Cot 45. Cot 30 putting 1. What is the tan cot 45 1? And tan 31 by root 3. So cot 30 is a root 3. So root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Take out the conjugate and create your new answers. Here minus. So here you write down plus. So what you get finally? Root 3 plus 1 whole square by here 3 minus 1 by 2. Check this answer and this answer are same. So my answer is 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. You get 2 plus root 3. Yes, and one more last extra sum. After that, tan 15, tan 75, cot 15, and last cot 75, which is 45 plus 30. After calculations, seeing this explanation, you get the 2 minus root 3, which is nothing, it is tan 15. Tan 15 and cot 75 indirectly same. So students, here, these two are happily done. Question number 5. Now I am moving ahead. Our sixth question. So I hope you understood degree wise that values. Now question 6. Prove that some questions given in the exercise 3.3. Our question is that cot 5 by 4 minus x, minus x, only cos. Cos 5 by 4 minus 5 minus same as in sine function. And prove that sine x plus y. Students, here you taking same functions, taking two suggestions. Look, this degree and this degree are same. So suppose pi by 4 minus x is something A and pi by 4 minus y is something B. Only assumption. So what you get LHS? Our LHS is a cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. And this is the chosen formula, cos A plus B. A put it pi by 4 minus x, B put it pi by 4 minus y. And how much? 45, 45? 90. This 45 and 45 become 90, and here minus common take. So, students, use this formula known cos 90 minus theta, which is sin theta, no? So, where is theta? Our x plus y. So, similarly here my answer is sin theta, and theta is putting x plus y. Check. It's the happily answer coming our RHS. This formula necessarily write down here. Then it is the correct solution we can show according to our questions. Next, moving ahead, question number 7. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon pi by 4 minus x, and answer derived 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x the whole square. It's very easy. Here also operating students, same as rule, LHS pi by 4 plus x below pi by 4 minus x. I think you know that, students. Chain x plus y formula, our fifth number formula. Tan 45 plus tan x. 1 minus tan 45, tan x. Same as here also. Tan 45 minus tan x. 1 plus tan 45, tan x. Now tan 45 home. How much? 1. Yes. Upon here also 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x. Look at that. Here nothing cancel. Numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into this part is a reciprocal to that 1 minus tan x. So I am sure our numerical is done. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. They both this square, and that's my RHS. Check easily. Ending here. Our question number 7. Next I am going to 8 one. It also asking prove that the related questions. This is also very interesting. Cos pi plus x, cos minus x upon sin pi minus x, cos pi by 2 plus x, and cot square x. So it's very easy. Check. First of all, pi plus explanations. Cos pi plus x, which is which quadrant? Here your pi. Plus means anti-clockwise rotation. Here rotations. Clockwise is this. If you minus here plus then anti-clock. Here your pi plus x. All as PC wise. Third quadrant negative. Not changing. Only cos x answer. Same as cos of minus x, this one, which is cos x, because cos is what? Even function. Yes. Next, here now, sin pi minus x. What is that? Wait, I go to drawing. Here you are all STC. Pi. Here pi. Minus means clockwise rotation. Here you are clockwise rotation. Pi minus x. Second quadrant, sign is positive. And only sign because I operate into x-axis negative and x-axis positive. And last, cos of 90 plus x, which is also going to drawing. You every time show the unit circle, all STC. And students, here you are pi by 2. Plus means anti-clock or clock? Yes, anti-clock. Here you are. 90 plus x. And in second quadrant, sin cos is negative. But 90, then change the cos in the sign. These are all values. Now I operate in my LHS, easily getting our RHS solutions. So students, I start my LHS. So what is our LHS? Cos pi plus x minus x below sin pi minus x 90 plus x. So cos pi plus x done, minus cos x, here cos x, upon sin pi minus x done, sin x, and here minus sin x. Yes, it is cos square x by sin square x. So yes, it is cos square x. That's my RHS. And easily our part is happily done here. Now question 9. Now question 9 is also same as students. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x, and answer obtaining only one. So this also students very interesting question. Is all angles one by one I explain you. See, first of all, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. See here, here you are 3 pi by 2. All STC compulsory write down every time. This is our first difficult. 3 pi by 2 plus. Plus means clock or anti-clock. Here you are. Anti-clock means this side. Clock means this side. So here you are. 3 pi by 2 plus x. These are clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. Our fourth quadrant, cos is positive. 90 then change sin x. This answer is good. Now I explain this one. Cos 2 pi plus x. This also same. But you wait first and see the drawing. Here you are all STC. And where I am belonging to pi? Here. Plus means anti-clockwise. Plus means anti-clock. Here anti-clock going then this way. It is the first quadrant. It is positive. So cos is cos because our x-axis related. Every operating any pi then same function. And 90 operating then change the function. Now this one cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Same answer I create. Look at that. But first I go to where is 3 pi by 2? And all STC wise, you must be see the our quadrant. It is the best way. 3 pi by 2 minus. Minus means clockwise rotation. Students, 3 pi by 2 to clock start. It means here your clock start. In the third quadrant. So here 3 pi by 2 minus x. Third quadrant, cot function positive, all STC wise. 90 then change, it is 10x. And last, our last part. What? Cot 2 pi plus x. This answer also I happily created. But first of all, you see here our all SPC. And where is 2 pi? Yes, here. Plus means first quadrant is already explained here. Here first quadrant, this one. And first quadrant cot is positive, cot function same, cot x. And these all four value I operate in my questions LHS. So students, I go to now my LHS functions. So in the LHS, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, 2 pi plus x, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, and cot 2 pi plus x. Now systematic apply all our find out value. These all values I submitted here. First of all, sin x, second cos x, third tan x, last cot x. Now very easy simplify students. Sin x cos x, which will get sin by cos, and here cos by sin. I think you know that 10th standard is a property. Yes, so sin into cos, you get sin square x plus cos square x by sin x cos x. Yes, these are cancelled. And this how much? It is the 1. And that's my happily done here our RHS 9 question. And we have done our questions. Now continue students, I am going to question number 10. And also very easy question. Prove that sin n plus 1x, sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x, cos n plus 2x, and answer obtaining only cos x. So it's very simple sum. Students, first of all you check this degree and this degree are same. So suppose I just assumption it is capital A. And second n plus 2x I assumption which is capital B. So what you get LHS? These are LHS portions. Here sin A, sin B plus cos A, cos B. Now I just write down first of all cos function first. Cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. And yes, this is a full form. So now students, this is the formula for cos A minus B. Yes, I will write down B minus A. Now putting the value of A, n plus 1x and n plus 2x, and the total expansion by the expansion nx, x minus nx minus 2x, this cancel. And what is x minus 2x? Minus x. And it is a cos x because cos is even function. Yes students, that's my RHS. So it is here simple. Our question 10 students here done. Now I am going to continue our 11th. That also simple. Prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x, cos 3 pi by 4 minus x, and is equal to proving minus root 2 sin x. So here also same application students. LHS 3 pi by 4 cos x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. Now you know the formula. Cos a minus b related this one, and this is a cos a plus b. So cos 3 pi by 4 cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x minus same as cos 3 pi by 4 cos x plus sin 3 pi by 4 sin x. Finally, students, I operate this formula now. Sin 3 pi by 4 derivations. It is nothing. Pi minus pi by 4. It is sin pi by 4 and 1 by root 2. Why sin pi by 4? Here you have pi. And minus means clockwise rotation. It is all as TC second quadrant. It is positive. Same as students. Cos 3 pi by 4 I put it. Pi minus pi by 4. But this time it is second quadrant. Negative cos and cos pi by 4. It is minus 1 by 4. And these all values put down here. So you getting students, cos 3 pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 into cos x. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 sin x minus. Similarly here cos 3 pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 cos x plus here 1 by root 2 sin x. And now just expand it. This value is a minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x and minus 1 by root 2 sin x. Check what is the cancellation, this first and third. Then these are two times. So minus 2 times 1 by root 2 sin x. So what you get? 2 by root 2. Yes, it is only root 2 sin x. And that's my RHS. Yes students, here happily and easily done. Now I go to illustrations. Now students, after that 11 question, I go to our examples, illustrations. Students, illustration 6 and 7, you try itself at a homework. 8, 9, already I explained you in the last part. So here I go to now 10. Prove that 3 sin pi by 6 sin 30, it is half. Next sec 60 cos 60 half, so sec 60 is a 2. Here dissolving pi minus pi by 6. How many value? Pi minus pi by 6. Yes, it is a second quadrant. Here pi minus pi by 6. All SPC values, they are second quadrant. It is positive. And here what to find? 1. So finally I take 2, 3 cancel. Here 4 sin pi by 6 into 1. And what is the sign? Pi by 6 sin 30 half. So you get just only 3 minus 2. My answer is only and only 1. Now students, example 11. It is already done. Sin 15 degree find out. So already the field is there. So you try itself again. It is example number 11. Sin 15. Already I explained in the previous. Now I go to example number 12, which is also easy. Find the value for 10, 13 pi by 12. This is also repeated question, but it is a radian measure given. Degree measure I explain you 10, 15. It is same. Look at that. 12 pi plus 1 pi. Now this divide, this divided. So how much? Pi plus pi by 12. You are here pi Plus means anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clock means you go to the third quadrant. All as TC. It is third quadrant, 10 positive. And pi by 12 is nothing, 15 degree. And 10, 15 already known. But I one more time explain here. Because it is legal sum. 45 minus 30. And what is formula? 45 minus 30. 10, 45 minus 10, 30 upon 1 plus 10, 45. 10, 30. 10, 45 is 1. 10, 30 1 by root 3. Same as here 1 by root 3. So, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. And here create only and only conjugate. Upper and lower side, they are perfect square. And here 3 minus 1. So my answer is 3 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Surely you have to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. And students, here only 2 cancel. Common check, 2 minus root 3. That's answer is your final answer for this example number 12. Now 13. Prove that. It's also very easy. Sin x plus y below sin x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon tan x minus tan y. Very simple. When tan represent? Yes, dividing by cos. So my LHS sin x plus y into. Now apply the formula. Sin x plus y. Yes, it's sin x cos y plus cos x sin y upon. Similarly, but between minus. Now I want the value of tan x tan y. So we divide numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Yes, students, necessarily divided cos x cos y. Then you get final answer. Sin x cos y upon cos x cos y. Here I divided. Similarly, here also. Similarly, here also. And same as here also. Cos x cos y. All done. Cos x cos y. Similarly, cos x cos y. Other same. Sin x cos y. Cos x sin y, and here cos x sin y. Students, I only divide their values. Check. This cancel. Here also. What you get? Tan x. Tan x. Here plus, here minus. Here tan y. Here also tan y. And that's your RHS. Check. It's very simple process. And that is done for our example number. Which one? Yes, it is 13 over here. Now I go to example 14, which is most IMP sum exam oriented. Example 14. Prove that. Our proofing is asking again to 10 values. 10 3x into 10 2x into 10x and is equal to answer represent 10 3x minus 10 2x minus 10x. It's an IMP sum, students. So tick mark in your notebook. It's an IMP level sum. Solution very easy. Here plus 2x. Can we write 3x and apply the 10 both the sides? So it should be 10x, 10 2x upon 1 minus this same. Actually students, here apply the rule 10x plus 5. Yes. So these are multiple with them. So 10x plus 10 2x, 10 3x minus 10x, 10 2x, 10 3x. Finally, these all value. Check this your answer. Take right to left side and these two left to right side translate. So 10x, 10 2x, 10 3x. We have 2. 10 3x minus 10x minus 10 3x, and that are our final over there. Now example number 15. That is also simple question. Prove that type questions is also very easy. Example 15. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x root 2 cos x. Same solution students. Already I explained today, related our exercise sum. Pi by 4 cos x and pi by 4 minus x. So cos pi by 4 cos x minus sin pi by 4 sin x. Same as second. Here cos pi by 4 cos x plus sin pi by 4 sin x. Now students, apply the values. This value known respectively 45 1 by root 2 cos x, 1 by root 2 sin x, same 1 by root 2 cos x, and same 1 by root 2 sin x. Please cancel them. And these are two things. 1 by root 2 cos x. So root 2 into root 2, it will be 2. Yes, this cancel. My answer is root 2 into cos x. Check. That's here our RHS. Yes students, here our finally ending this exercise 15 here question example 15. Now students, here we done this part. Yes, and further explanation students, I explain you in the next part. But I one more time repeat, you write down in your notebook our legal formula list 2 to 3 to 4 times. Okay, bye bye, see you.